Yo, what is good, YouTube? So as you can see, we literally have 11 packages right here, 2 of which are insanely huge. These 2 equal to about 40 pounds in total, and these are just a bunch of other shoes and clothes. And yeah, this is definitely my biggest haul I've ever done. This is absolutely insane. This is probably the biggest haul you will ever see on YouTube, honestly. And I've had these packages and I was out of town for about a week, so that's why I have so many, because they all came while I was out and I just didn't have time to unbox them, and I will today in this video. So yeah, let's just get right into it. All right, so first up, let's go for this package right here. All right, so opening it up, you could already see the Bape hoodie logo, and opening it up even more, boom. All right, so let's just take it out. Okay, so first up is a Bathing Ape hoodie, and opening it up, this is how it looks like on the face, and this thingy, and the other side, just like that. Pretty nice design. Here's the back, and then here's how the tag looks like, and if you open it up, you see this thingy, and yeah, pretty cool first item. And then next up in the same package, we do have a blue spider hoodie. So if we open it up from the back, and then taking it out, this is how it looks like. Boom. Beautiful print, just like so. Just like that, as you can see. And of course, it does have the correct tags, and it just feels so nice and thick overall. And it does have some extra stars on the back like this. Next up, we have this pretty big package, and if we open it up, alright, so taking it out of the box, alright, so I already see one really cool thing, which is a Go Yard bag. Here is the look, and then if you open it up, it does come with a Go Yard wallet in white, just like that. And it also does come with a bag. And if you open it up, this is how the bag looks like. The beautiful Go Yard bag with the Go Yard Paris right here, and just the logo all around. Really nice. And if you open it up, this is how it looks like. It does come with a lot of extra stuff, I guess, and some wrapping paper to like keep it stuffed. So yeah, let's just close this up. And overall, a really nice looking piece, but I'm mostly just going to use this for room decoration. Some more stuff inside of the box. You could see some Cartier sunglasses. So if you do open these up, boom, they come with this cool little card, just like that. And taking them out, you could see, boom. And this is how the shades are packaged like. So you take them out. Really nice material and quality, just like that. Here we go. This one's pretty heavy. It is a Rolex, and let's just open it up. It does come in another little package. And if you open it up, this is how the watch looks like. Really nice, as you can see. Boom. And yeah, overall a really clean looking watch. Fancy little Rolex box. And yeah, lastly in this package, we do have a Canada Goose beanie. And it's just a simple little thing. Take it out. Got the logo right here, and it's in dark blue, as you can see. Nothing really special, but yeah, just a nice little addition. And it does come with this cool Rolex bag, I forgot to say earlier. But yeah, that's it for this part. Let's go to the next part. So let's just take out this shoe next. I honestly don't know what it is, but let's just see. Okay, so it does look like a Nike box, and taking it out, the label as well. By just opening it up, this is how the shoe looks like. As you can see, a very good looking shoe. Boom. It's just the Travis Scott reverse mocha or whatever they're called. I kind of forgot. But yeah, pretty clean. It does come with 4 extra laces as well. And you do have the reverse swoosh here on this side, as well as the normal swoosh on this side. And you do got some nice suede with this little logo on the back. And yeah, overall, really cool. So let's just go on to the next shoe. All right, so next up, open it up. And I can see the Yeezy box. And I can see now it is a Yeezy 350, which taking it out are these nice looking Yeezy Belugas, is I'm pretty sure what they're called. Boom. I like the design a lot. I like the gray and the orange. Here's the bottom. And yeah, just really nice. And I also saw that the laces are reflective, which you might not be able to see right now, but yeah. So I mean, yeah, let's just go on to the next shoe. Next up, this one is a bit heavier, I could feel. Ford box. And yeah, let's just open this up. Boom. Really nice looking shoe, as you could see. I do have the regular breads as well, but I did want to go with the patent one as well, which I feel like, personally, I feel like this one does look nicer than the original ones, but let me know what you guys think. And yeah, it's just basically a typical Jordan 4, nothing really special. All right, so here is the next shoe. And yeah, this is a huge box. This is my second LV shoe, and opening it up, it does come with these nice little laces, and they are wrapped just like so, and boom, they look really nice, I cannot lie. And then this is the LV logo, as well as the one on the foot thingy and here. And yeah, overall really nice and classy shoe. But yeah, honestly, I love these shoes a lot. These are definitely a good shoe to wear if you want to go to a party, honestly. And yeah, and this is the final shoe. Yeah, I did have to open it up because it had my address all over it for some reason. But yeah, I honestly do not know what happened to the box. This thing got absolutely crushed in shipping. I'll probably just throw it away at this point. But yeah, these are the Balenciaga LED runners, and this is how they look like. I'm not really too surprised because I already do have a pair of these. But yeah, this is how they look like when they light up. You can see like that. And I already did make an unboxing video of these if you do want to see it on my channel. So yeah, if you guys do want to see that, just head over to my channel and you will see it. But yeah, other than that, really nice shoe. This is my second pair of them, like I said earlier though, so I'm not really too surprised at how they look like. But they do have Balenciaga on the tongue. They have Balenciaga here, and on the toe box you do have size 41, which is the European sizing. Here's the other side, and here is the bottom with the Balenciaga right there. So yeah, if you guys did enjoy this insanely huge unboxing, please comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Peace.